Hello, Chris. I figured that I should do this for you so you know how to put in the sliders like we have here, so you can go to the right and to the left without having to scroll like you say here. So I know I told you I was going to do this, so I'll go ahead and show you how. If you go into your login, I'm going to bring this up in another tab, and I'm going to go ahead and click Login to the dashboard here. You can see where it says slideshows here. What you'll do is you go here and you'll go Add New. And we'll call this one, what do you call the name of this? Interesting Books from National Parks. So we'll just call it National Parks, or Interesting Books. Okay. And then what we'll do is over here on the right you'll see where it says Slide List. And so you've already uploaded it to the media, so you know how to add new photos to the media. So after you upload them to the media, you click Image Slide, and you see these are your last three. Now the thing that that you should probably name these files before you upload them, but it's no big deal. I'll show you how to change that. And so we're going to call this Interesting Books and National Parks. So Interesting Books about National Parks, we'll call them. So we'll give them all a title of Interesting Books, National Parks. And this will help us get indexed in the search engines a little better. So I'll name each one of them accordingly. Now we have some options with this. If you look under slideshow settings, well, first of all, we could go to the style. We can have light or dark, so we'll just keep it light, and we can do custom styles later. So we'll have the transition, we'll have them slide left, and have it 1 second to slide in. The number of seconds for it takes is a little under half a second, and it'll stay on the slide for 5 seconds, and you can change that. Number of slides to fit into one. We're just going to put one. You can put two, so you have two pictures in one slide. But we'll just leave it one since there's only 3 pictures. You can put a maximum width. And the slideshow height, this is actually kind of small, being 200 pixels. So we're going to go ahead and increase that to 450. Now this little option here about the fit image into slide, that means it's going to stretch the image and make it look distorted. So I always select no on this one. Everything else I just leave at the default settings, okay? And then I'll click Publish. Just like that. And then you see this little code right here? What we want to do is we want to take this code, right click, copy, and we'll go to the last post that you made that had those 3 images. So we're going to go ahead and click in there, and we're going to go ahead and delete these images because now we're going to have a slideshow that displays them. And we're going to go ahead and paste that shortcode, and that's all you have to do. Paste that shortcode in there and then click Update. And then whenever we go back to your website here and refresh it, we should see a slideshow, and we do, you see. And you see how we have that Interesting Books, National Parks. Now if we wait a second here, it'll go ahead and change by itself once it starts loading, and there it goes. And so if we hover over the image, we can see the title here too. We can also link these images if we want to, or the user can go ahead and fast forward through these as well. So that's just another great little feature that you can have with your website, and it keeps everybody on that page there. So I hope this has been informative and instructive for you. This is Max with A1 Website Pro. Thanks.